Welcome to Online Digital Marketing Training. In this video, I'm explaining about Google Ads mobile app campaign. So who should take this campaign? You are a mobile app owner, whether it is Android or iOS, and you want to increase more installs for your app, then you could be using this. Okay, how to do this? I'm going to tell you. So first, because most of the people want the solutions immediately, that's why I'll show you first. Later, I'll explain detail actually how this works and all these things. People who are in a hurry to create the campaign, just use this. But if you still have a time, watch the video till the end so that you'll be getting more information about how the mobile app campaign works. So type google.com/ads and sign in. If you are new to this, click on get started. If you are new, you don't know anything about Google Ads, I'll send a link in the description about the basic video of the how to start with the Google Ads. If you're already experienced, you already have a campaign, just sign in with your existing campaign. People who don't have knowledge, check the basic video which I mentioned in the description. Right. Then you'll be going to the Google Ads dashboard. Then click on new campaign. Create a campaign without a goal. Select as app. See here, drive app promotion across Google's network. If you push here saying that, create app promotion ads that serve across the Google search network, display, Google Play, other apps on YouTube. So I'm selecting this. And here they're asking, what do you want, man? You want app installs, app engagement, app pre-registration. You have an existing app, you're looking for more installs, by default option is selected. People already installed the app, but they're not engaging properly, then this will be useful. You didn't launch the app, pre-launching, you want to do it, you'll use it. Mostly people use this. Okay. Now decide what is yours. You might be having either Android or iOS, or you might be having a both. If you have both, you have to create two different campaigns. At a time, only one can select here. One campaign create with Android, one campaign do with the iOS. Make sure that your app already is there in the Play Store and type your app name, it will come. So here, I'm just typing Swiggy because already Swiggy have an app, it is coming over here. In such a way, type your app name, it will come. Then continue. So campaign name, you mention your campaign name. This is for your reference. And which location? If your app is worldwide, it's okay. If it is India, throughout India, or else specific to particular location, you can mention Hyderabad. You can select it. Or else if it is more specific to particular area, like radius targeting, that also you can do it. Like 5 kilometers surrounding Panjagutta. So you can select like this also. So only these people will be getting a ad. Okay. I mentioned complete Hyderabad. Then languages, who speak English and who target. Budget. Budget is nothing but how much you want to spend per day. See, more money, more installs, guys. So I'm mentioning 1,000. See, right hand side, they're giving something, it's the estimation only. But once the campaign starts, then only you'll come to know. This will take cost per install, CPI format. So they will charge you someone, not someone clicked on your ad, someone installed, then only they'll charge you money. So 1,000, what do you want to focus on? I want to focus on install volume. Then all the options little bit like this. And how much you want to pay per click. So here he's saying that typical cost per install for other app is 18 rupees based on the app you selected. It is varies, guys. Some apps it will charge you 1 rupee only. Some apps it will charge you 20 rupees. Initially, put something like 20. This is max one. It doesn't mean that they'll take 20. Based on the competition, it will take you. And once start trying, running the campaign, you'll come to know whether it is 1 rupee, 2 rupee, or max 20 rupees. Start and end date. If you're starting by default today, and if you want to end on a particular date, you can mention the end date as well. Assume that I want to run this for 4 days. I mention like this. That's it. So I select a campaign name, which location I want to target, language English, what is my daily budget, and how much I'm ready to pay per install. Then save and continue. Now here, because our app is already there, automatically ad will be created, guys. See, automatically ad is created. You don't have to do anything. So automatically your ad will be appearing like this. And someone searching, again, you don't have to give keywords. Automatically keywords will be targeted. Install option is there. On YouTube also ad will appear by default. What are the images you have? But you want a specific one, a different images and different videos you want to add specific for this ad, you can upload your video, you can upload your image. Then it will appear properly. So in this video, I'm adding the text ad here. Order online. Just a minute. Then headline. That's it. See, automatically ad has been created. Download the app, order delicious food, it's coming. Then if you want to, so remember, when it comes to search network, it is a text ad, display network image. But when it comes to mobile app ad, it is all. That's why if you mention one image, it will be much better. If you mention a videos, when your ad is appearing on the YouTube format, it will look good. Everything is fine. Click on save and continue. That's it, guys. It's very, very easy to launch the mobile app campaign, and definitely your installs will increase. So it's clearly mentioned your ad will start on November 24th and it will run for 4 days. Targeting location Hyderabad, English language people, daily budget 1,000, and I want more volume, and target cost per install is I mentioned 20. Everything is fine. Continue to campaign. That's it. So people who are in a hurry, just follow it, do it. Definitely will be getting results. Now students who want to gain more knowledge, I'll be giving more details on this. So mobile app campaign, as we discussed the search network ad will be a text ad. Bidding type is CPC. Your ad will be appearing on SERP, and you can filter by keyword and location. You can mention that for what keyword you want to run the ad and which location. But when it comes to mobile app, remember mobile app ad will be morely on the mobile phones only. But on smartphone, on SERP, your ad will appear. When you search, there also it will appear. And Google display partner websites, like while you're browsing websites, also ad will appear. While browsing apps, also your ad will appear. While you're playing a video on YouTube, there also mobile app ad will be appearing. And on Play Store also ad will appear. Almost everywhere. When it comes to ad type, it can be text ad, it can be image ad, it can be video ad also. When appearing on SERP, it is a text ad. Websites and apps, image ad. On YouTube, it's a video ad. Bidding type is CPI, cost per install. When someone install, then only they charge you money. But targeting, when it comes to search network, you can target with the keyword. Only if someone searching, then only show my ad. Even your ad also appear on SERP, but you will never mention keywords. There is no such option. By the time the developer has created, he might be using the keywords, right? Based on the app only, ads will appear. You don't have to mention it. When it comes to display network, the targeting is, you can target by location, you can target by age, you can target by gender, you can target by affinity, you can target by keywords, you can target by placement. This many options are there, but mobile app, there are no such options. Only you can filter by the locations only. You can't target by gender, affinity, keywords, and all these things. And To create ad, search network, you have to create the ad. Display network, you have to create the banner ad. Good thing about mobile app is it's automatic. By the time you enter app name, automatically it will create the ad. But if you want to add it, again, text you can change, image you cannot add, video you can add manually. But by default, something will be there. That's one thing. Mandatory rule is, first of all, you should have an app, it should be there in a Play Store. And if you want Android and iOS both, then you have to create two campaigns, one for Android and one for iOS. That's it. And when it comes to CPI, how much money they charge you per installs? I checked with one of my student, used to have an app which is more about the songs. When he run the campaign, it was not even 1 rupee. It is around 20 paise. Okay, means 1/4 of 1 rupee. So 25 paise per install it charged. But when I check with another campaign like Bitcoin, all these things, it'll be to 30 to 40 rupees. So it depends on your niche, how competitive is your product. In this case, just now we've seen that was costing around this, they're giving you 18 rupees. Okay, so I'm going to do it campaign again without all the options. Click on new campaign. Create a campaign without a goal. Selecting the app. Now I want to go for app installs only. Android. This time I'm doing something other. Q.fit something. Let's see. Q.fit. Cult.fit. I don't know if they have app or not. Yeah, cult.fit fitness is there. Okay, I'm selecting this app. Let's see how much amount will be there for this app. Okay, I want to target India. Okay, as of now, this is the same amount. There is no change in that. But the amount they're suggesting this, but once it started, the price will be different. So campaign name, location, language, budget, how much you want to spend on target volume and target cost. But what kind of users do you want to target? Some more options. Let's see this. How do you want to track install volume? Leave it by default. They don't need to do it. And what kind of users you want to target? All users. By default, this option only there. But here I'm mentioning, let's see 10, what he will suggest. See, if you put 10 also, it is taking. Okay. And even if you put 5 rupees also, they'll take. The 18 rupees was their suggestion. This is their suggestion actually. You don't have to mention that. Try with the different things. Let's see how it is working for you. Then some more advanced settings there. Attach feed to improve targeting enabled. So the feed option is there in on e-commerce website, but recently they added, which are only used if they improve the performance of your app campaign. Let's see what they'll be asking. Dynamic ad feed, whether haven't added feed or on a Google Merchant Center feed, but this is advanced one. Google Merchant Center is nothing but so that it's more of e-commerce product and you have an app, then they'll be checking your product. Based on that, the targeting will be there. I'll research on that and I'll be mentioning. As of now, we'll leave it. You don't want the settings. Save and continue. Now here is the ad. So as we discussed in the previous, by default, your ad is appearing over here. If you want, you can add a separate image so that the same image will come. And your ad is appearing on the YouTube also. By default, based on yours, something is coming here. But if you want, you can upload your video from a YouTube or whatever it might be, then that video will come. Let's see the cult.fit video. Cult.fit. I'll take that video. Now I'm taking this video for promotions if it is that. and that video will be promoting it. So in the YouTube, that ad will be appearing over here, and people play that video. See, that ad is coming here, and the install option is coming. And if it is an image, you have an image, upload an image over here. So the particular image will come. And by default, we mentioned that text ad is mandatory. So you have to mention the headlines so that your ad will be complete. That's it, guys. This is about the mobile app campaigns. And see, when it comes to search, display, video, there might be a number of options. But when it comes to mobile app campaigns, there is no much options. It's more on trial and error only. So whenever you get a client, initially put 500 rupees budget for 3 days and monitor the performance. Later, once you've done it, keep on make changes. What's happening, where my ad is appearing, whether my CPI is increasing or decreasing. Based on that, you can change the decisions. That's it, guys. So if you have any questions, you can put it in a comment. And if you have an app and you're struggling to go and get more installs, you can take a consultation from us and come back to ODMT website and you can draft me an email. And if you're a student, if you're looking for more training on digital marketing, fill the form so that we'll get back to you. Thank you very much, guys.